Hello, Johnny again. So after loading more data, we looked at the density map of the source IPs. Let's take a look at the message classification. The last we looked, there was only one message because the message types were very limited. Now let's see if more has come up. So here we see the pie has now more attempts, more pieces to it. Miscellaneous attack, miscellaneous activity, and attempted information leak. So SNOT IDS has identified those messages. However, we can look more into this horizontal diagram, and this bar diagram is arranged in an ascending order, and the reason being because there are messages like ICMP ping or any other valid message that happens more frequently than any other attack, and these are the attacks that might have 10 attempts but that can cause a lot of loss to the organization. So my idea was to put those fewer types to be on the top so that the security specialist can look into those and act accordingly. In our case, the DDoS attack, which is just 4 count, are on the top. These are the 4 records that we have added. We can further inspect all those types of attacks and worms. We can also go ahead and export them into CSV format for reporting purposes. And there are different data view and the request view. Let's move to the next dashboard, anomaly detection. And in the last video, we see that anomaly detection can also help us filter some specific type of records. If I'm looking for a specific IP, now the IP that we added for Canada, I'm interested looking into that only. I can go ahead and apply, do a save, and it gives me that specific IP so that I can dissect that message and look more into it. And it's in Quebec, there's Toronto, North America, and lot other information about the originating computer and other useful data. So this is all about our application. If I go to the configuration and I want to just go ahead and remove some data, let's go ahead and remove smaller ones. In real time, all the data is gone from Elasticsearch and they will not be considered in our dashboards. Now to see the effect, all the smaller ones I have removed. I go to the IP density map for a quick view. Give a full screen and we can see it's cleared from Sri Lanka, it's gone from Quebec, and there are other which anyways existed. So to summarize the demo, we have our config page where we can see the health status of the various instances, the required instances. And then we have the upload page where we can upload a specific file. And in this case, for this application right now, it is configured to take any SNOT network log files, but this can be easily configured to take and accept any other type of log files along with its metadata file. And there are 3 dashboards: IP density map for the source IP geolocation, the message classification, the classification of the various attacks, and to look at it using pie chart and horizontal bar diagram, and anomaly detection, which is a more traditional and classic way of looking into the logs, but with some added features. If I go to the config and just for instance, this is my logstash instance, I just close that and I refresh the page. I see the logstash status has changed. It says the application will run, it means Smash will run, but new uploaded items cannot be analyzed because logstash is the main data transformer here, which it cannot do. However, the user can still go ahead and upload the files, and once logstash is back upline, it is going to process all of the data first. So that way, all the components are loosely coupled and they can run independently without interfering each other. So as the key features mentions, it is a live security for analytics, which is my dashboard. Then the user is able to upload any ASCII files, but it can be easily tailored to upload and accept any other type of files. Live monitoring of elk stack, and then on the fly we can delete and refresh the indices of Elasticsearch from configuration. And if the user still want to go ahead and change some of the features that are here in this dashboard, can admin user can very well go to the Kibana portal, and here we should be able to see the three dashboards that our application Smash is hosting right now. These are the three dashboards that it was hosting, and one can very well click, edit, and perform various options with this. That is all about the working of Smash application. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much.